Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install flooring labels. So I have these three shelves right here that I'm going to install in this wall. And to do that, we're going to use this label, measure tape, this stud body, and drill. Okay, everything you do is in your own risk. Okay, I'm not responsible for any damage that you cause to your wall or to yourself. This video is for educational purpose only. Thank you. Okay, so the first thing what we're gonna do is find the stud. Okay, usually we install the shelves measuring from the floor to the top 4 feet or 5. Okay, so I'm gonna start from here because so right here is 4 feet, so 5 is right here, but I'm gonna start from here because it's supposed to be in front of your eye. And then the next one I'm gonna put it like 1 foot above, and then 1 foot above. Depends what things are you gonna put it on. So that's the way you measure. But the first one should be 4 to 5 feet from the floor. Okay. And the first thing I do is I just find the stud on the wall, like right here. Right here you see there is one. So in this line is one. Right here is another one. Right there is the other one. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw a line with I already draw a line here with the level and make sure it's straight, and just with a pencil, like right there, I draw a line right there. It's really hard to work with one hand only. Okay, so just make sure it's a straight line, and make sure this one is also straight where the beam it is. Okay, so I know there is a beam here, there is a beam here, a wood beam here also, and also in the corner. Okay, so now I have this hardware that I came with the shelf, the first shelves. So I'm gonna do this. You see that it has different holes here. So they made it like that, so it's easier for us to install it and find the width. Okay, so now I'm gonna drill this, and with this line I know it's straight already. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so I take the hardware and I make sure it's straight, and I align it with the line that I draw here. Right there, let me see. Right there, okay. So I know the width, the beam is behind the drywall. So I'm gonna, okay, right there is a mark it just right here. Okay, so that's where the screw should go. Okay, and now I'm gonna bring my screws. Okay, so now let's just test it to see if there is the wood inside. Yeah, it is in there, so I'm gonna take it out. You don't have to use the screws that they send you, but you can use different ones. Okay, so now let's install one screw first. And also right here is a top. So that means goes to the top, okay? Okay. Okay, looks really good. Let's see. Okay, you see, it's steady because yeah, the wood is in the back, so that's why it's really good. So let me. So you see this, it has two holes here. Okay, so you just go and straight. Can I find it? Right here, right here. Okay, right there. Measure it's straight. Okay, so make sure to go straight. Okay, there you go. Okay, so there is the first one. Okay, and now I'm gonna leave 1 foot. Yeah, depends. Like I said, depends what you're gonna put on it. So I think I'm gonna leave like 1 foot. I'm gonna draw another straight line here, and then another one on the top, and then I'm gonna do the same thing. So 1 foot right here. It's right here. The one on the top. Okay. So now let's draw a straight line. let's mark it first because I don't know why, but it doesn't look the same measure to me. Let me see. Sometimes the walls are not even right there. Yeah, this is, I don't get it. Well, you just need to make sure the line is straight because the walls are not even from the floor. So just follow the level, okay? Right there. Okay. So this little one is gonna be here. Okay, I think looks straight. And then I have another one, so I'm gonna do the same thing. We're gonna loosen a little bit because just to make sure it's straight. I need more battery. Okay. Okay. Okay, there is the other one, and the line is straight. So just follow the label when you draw the line. Okay. Okay, make sure it's straight, the hardware. Before you, I don't know if this is your hardware, but this is mine. Before you screw it on the wall, make sure you open it, so that way when you put the shelf, it goes through. Okay, it's easier. Always be careful when you climb a ladder. Make sure you use the right ladder because I fall like a few years ago. I fall down because I wasn't make sure the letter was. I didn't use the right letter. So, but thanks God, nothing happened to me. Yeah, I need more battery. I need more. Okay, perfect. This one also. Okay, so let's. Okay, perfect. See? Okay, so I'm gonna put everything together and then I'm gonna show you, okay? And now that we finished the making the walls, I mean, now with a wet cloth and some soap, hand soap, you just clean the pencil mark, and you should be okay. But if it's not your house, then don't paint it, because people might say something. But it is my house, so I don't care, and I'm gonna paint this wall white in the future, maybe next year. So I don't mind to paint it to make sure I do a good job, you know. Don't forget to tie the screws under the hardware. If this is your case, okay. Okay guys, I hope you like my video. I hope my video helped you to install your shelves. As you see, it looks steady and nice. Don't forget to don't forget to tie the screws under the shelves. Now you can see it here. I'm trying to show you. Right there, those screws, don't forget to tie it so that way the shelf don't slide this way. Okay guys, so you see it looks nice now, and because I don't have any shelves in this room, so I just try to show you how to hang these shelves. Okay, thank you so much. Check my other videos. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, check my other videos. Thank you.